Why does Irish theatre lack diversity on stage? Imagine walking into a theatre in Ireland and seeing a stage filled mostly with white Irish actors telling stories rooted in traditional Irish culture. Now, ask yourself, why is that the case? Irish theatre has long been a mirror of Irish society, which has historically been quite homogeneous. Most actors, directors, and writers have come from the white Irish population, especially in larger cities like Dublin and Cork. This means that the stories being told often reflected that same background. One reason for this lack of diversity is the demographic makeup of theater audiences and practitioners. Data shows that most youth theater groups are made up of white Irish children and teenagers. Ethnic minorities make up a small percentage, often below the national average. This is partly because opportunities for diverse communities to get involved in theater are limited. Many smaller or independent theater companies do not have the resources or programs to include artists from different backgrounds. Another factor is how minority groups are represented in Irish society. The Irish traveller community, an indigenous ethnic minority, has faced social exclusion and discrimination for generations. Their stories are rarely seen or told authentically on Irish stages. Instead, they are often misrepresented or stereotyped, which keeps their true experiences from being shared. This lack of genuine representation makes it harder for diverse stories to find a place in Irish theatre. Gender imbalance also plays a role. Women are underrepresented in key creative roles like directing and writing. Many of Ireland's most prominent theatres have a noticeable gender gap, which adds to the overall lack of diversity. When fewer women are involved behind the scenes, it limits the variety of stories and perspectives that reach audiences. Some efforts are beginning to change this. For example, productions like An Octoroon at the Abbey Theatre featured a cast of actors of different ethnic backgrounds and a black director. These productions spark conversations about race and representation, but they are still rare and often seen as exceptions rather than the rule. Token casting, where a few diverse actors are included just to tick a box, is not enough for real change. For visitors exploring Irish culture and arts, this means Irish theatre often shows a narrow slice of society. Traditional stories and casting are still common, even though Ireland's population is becoming more multicultural. To see more diversity, it's worth seeking out smaller, independent, or intercultural theatre companies. These groups are starting to bring new voices and stories to the stage, reflecting the true richness of contemporary Irish culture.